वेलकम टू विश्वदीमी। आज पे we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan. Let's make Rakhi at home.
Let's start making our first Rakhi. We are going to name this Rakhi as waste material Rakhi. For preparing this Rakhi, we will use anything lying waste in our home which looks beautiful, which you think can be used for doing some creative work. So we can prepare Rakhi with that. For example, here I am going to use lace for making our Rakhi. See this lace, you can see this. This is a sari's lace which I have cut, which was just lying like that. So I am going to use this lace. In this way I have some more laces which can be used for preparing Rakhi. See, these are just examples. You can find many other things lying in your home and you can make use of that for preparing this Rakhi. Other than lace, we will require glue and scissors for preparing this Rakhi. This Rakhi is very easy to make and you are going to use the waste thing just lying like that, and you can be creative with it. I am going to take my daughter's help for making this Rakhi. So come on kids, let's start it. First what we are going to do is, we'll cut this flower into nice shape using scissors. For this work, take your parents' help or do it under your parents' guidance. Like this. Don't spoil the flower shape. Wow, our flower looks so beautiful. Baby, now we are going to cut this. You'll help Mama for cutting this. Hold the scissors. Wait, just show me your hand. We'll take the measurement for the Rakhi. Okay, this will be enough. Cut over here. Yeah, cut this. Cut.
Yes, cut this.
Thank you, baby. Now come on, let's take this. For that, first we are going to take this flower, turn it, take this glue, put some glue over this like this. Now this part will go down like this. The exact part in the between, just divide this like this, should be on the flower. Now we'll stick this. Our Rakhi is ready. We have not spent any money on buying this Rakhi. We have just used things lying in our home and we have made this Rakhi. Kids, we are using cloth material design for preparing this Rakhi. So try to use fabric glue for sticking part. And in case you don't have fabric glue, you can also use sellotape for sticking. Kids, let's start with the second Rakhi. We will name this Rakhi as Woolen Rakhi or Thread Rakhi. Here I am using this red and yellow color mix cotton thread. This is quite thick. This is used for puja purpose. If you don't have this, you can even use different color wool, whatever is available with you at your home. And you will require scissors. And this is just a design which will be sticking on the Rakhi. If you don't have this, it's okay. Let's start with our Rakhi. We'll take this thread, open it, take your hand like this, take 3 or 2 fingers of yours, whatever you are comfortable with. I'm using 3 fingers. Just roll it like this. Don't roll it tight, let it be little loose. This much thickness is enough, I think. Now we'll remove this slowly from our finger. Be careful. Now just cut off this extra part from here and hold it in between. Take this thread, other thread from the roll, turn it like this, and we have to tie a tight knot over here. We have this thread. Take this thread, keep this in between, hold it properly, turn from this side turn from this side, turn it tight because we are going to tie a knot. It should not come out like this. Pull it from here. We are done with tying the knot. Now what we are going to do is take one part, any one side of it, put your finger like this. There should be a hole. Now between this hole, put the scissors and cut this thread. See, we have cut this. Now similarly, we will put a finger in the second part like this, and then we will put the scissors through this and we will cut this also. See, we have finished cutting from both the sides. Now what we are going to do is remove one thread from each side like this. Hold this like this. This we have to tie the band. Rest thread just spread like this. Slowly spread all of it like this and make a flower out of it like this. We have spread this nicely. See, doesn't this look beautiful? Now what we are going to do is this. See, some thread are long, some are short, so we have to cut this evenly from all the sides. Take your parents' help for doing this. See, whatever thread is coming out, just cut it off like this. Now the next step is we have to take 3 threads like this. See, of the same length. All the 3 threads should be of the same length like this. Now hold over here in one corner. Put it around your finger like this. Then leave it. Put this thread inside the hole and tie a knot. Baby, hold this. Help Mama. Hold this tightly. Now what we are going to do, kids, is we are going to make a plait out of this. A plait. Like how you tie a plait, girls. See, first take the right one. Put it around the middle thread. Then take the left one. Crisscross like this. Again the right one. Then again the left one from the between. Like this you have to make a nice braid. Continue making the braid till the end. Kids, if you don't have different color thread, then you can use the same thread with you have made the flower. And if you don't want to make this style of braid, you can also use a simple thread to tie the flower. We'll show you how to do it. I have completed making the plait like this, the braid. Now what we are going to do, these 2 end threads we have to take like this, turn it, put it inside and tie it tight like this. Put it tight, it should not come out. Pull it from all the sides like this, like this. We are done with this now. Now we have our flower ready, our thread ready. Now what we are going to do is take this thread, keep it like this. Just remember these 2 threads we have kept separate. Now we have to tie this over here like this. Tie 2-3 knots so that it does not come out. See kids, we have finished tying the knot and a beautiful simple thread rakhi or woolen rakhi, whatever you call it, is ready. If you have some designs like this, then you can use glue and stick it over here in the between. It will look more pretty. If you don't have, no problem. This looks simple and beautiful itself. Kids, let's start making our third rakhi. I think you might have got an idea. A third rakhi will be a paper rakhi. See, you can see lot of paper over here, different color papers. These are chart papers. You can also use craft paper for making this Rakhi. And we would require thread, glue, pencil, eraser and scissors for preparing this Rakhi. Kids, I am using chart paper over here. Chart paper is thick. See, it won't tear that easily, but in case you are using craft paper, you would require a cardboard or something thick and hard to support that craft paper because it should not tear. Now let's start. I have taken 3 lid over here. You can also use bangle or anything which is round in shape. You can also use compass which is there in geometry box, but I will advise, as you all are small, you all should use this lid of tiffin in your home. Take 3 different size lid, one bigger, one smaller than that, the other one more smaller. Now first the big one, keep it like this, draw a circle. Now with the help of the bigger circle, we have drawn a circle on the page. Now the medium one, the second circle lid, will keep in between. Make sure that the gap is equal, even. Now draw one more circle. We have finished drawing both the circles. Now with the help of scissors, we have to cut this circle, the outside part, the bigger one. A circle is ready. Now what we are going to do, between, exactly in the between, just make a dot like this and then fold the circle into half. And see, it should be a semicircle like this. And then take your scissors and start cutting like this. See, till this line, like this. Don't go further. Leave little gap and cut like this. We have finished cutting. Now open this. See, you have a nice design like this. Now we have taken another chart paper. Now we are going to take another paper. I am using green color. The second one, the middle one, we are going to use this lid. Draw a circle. Now we will cut this circle also. See, a circle is ready. Keep this aside. Now we will take another color paper and use the third lid and draw a circle like this. We have finished drawing this circle. Now inside that circle we are going to draw one more small circle like this. Now we will cut this circle like this. See, we have finished cutting the circle. Now, like earlier we did for the bigger one, we are going to fold this into half like this and we'll cut this till this line. We have these 3 circles ready and some beads or design, you can call it. Now what we'll do, we'll take the first circle. See, here we have drawn with the pencil. This should be kept like this. Over it, keep this one, the second one, and with the help of glue, stick this over here. We'll take the glue. See, we have finished sticking this exactly in the center. Now we will take this other one. We'll apply glue over here. Remember, while applying glue, only apply in this circle ka part, not outside this. This design should be visible. We'll put this and we'll stick this. Be delicate with this, exactly in the between. To make this Rakhi look more beautiful, we'll stick the designs over it like this. And we'll stick all the rest of the designs over here. with the help of any thread, lace or satin ribbon, even friendship band will do. You can stick this Rakhi over it and our Rakhi is done. See, all our Rakhis are ready. They are looking so beautiful and pretty. Without spending money, such beautiful Rakhi can be prepared at home. So this Rakhi festival, no need to go out. Prepare Rakhi at home with materials from your house which are easily available. Stay home, stay safe. Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Wow, my Rakhi is ready. Please subscribe for more videos. Like, share, subscribe.